In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Confluence Cloud site as an admin. We'll walk through the full process from opening Confluence to safely storing your backup, with clear tips to help you avoid common pitfalls. Before you start, make sure you're signed in with admin permissions on the correct site. If you manage multiple sites, double check the site selector so you're working in the right place. Once you're in, head to your admin settings. Depending on your setup and plan, you'll either click the settings gear within Confluence and open the administration area, or go through your organization's admin portal and choose the Confluence site you want to manage. The layout can vary, so use the search bar in settings if needed. Next, locate the section for backups, exports, or data management. This may be labeled Data Management, Backup Manager, Site Export, or Space Export. If you only see space level options, that's normal on some plans. You can export individual spaces or use site level tools if available. The key is to find the area that lets you export content in the format you need. Now choose the backup type that suits your goal. For broad coverage, a full site export or site backup is ideal when available. If you only need certain areas, pick a space export and decide whether to include attachments. XML exports are great for restores and migrations, while PDF exports are better for readable archives. Review what's included so you capture exactly what you need. Start the backup or export. Confirm any options and note that large exports can impact performance while they run. It's best to do this during off-peak hours if your team is active. Keep your browser open if the page advises it, though many exports continue in the background. Now wait while Confluence prepares the backup file. The time required depends on your content size and attachments. You'll typically see a progress indicator, and in many cases, you'll receive an email or an in-app notification when the file is ready to download. When it's ready, download the backup and store it safely. Save it to a secure, access-controlled location, and consider encrypting it if it contains sensitive content. Use a clear file name with the date and site name. Keep at least 2 copies in separate locations and follow your organization's retention policy. It's also a good practice to quickly verify the archive opens and, if available, record a checksum so you can confirm integrity later. That's it. You've opened Confluence as an admin, navigated to the right settings, selected the correct export, run the backup, waited for processing, and safely stored the file. Thanks for watching, and keep your backups current to protect your team's work.